behind that 07 truck. Only 3 laps to go. I'm sure the NASCAR officials are looking at the racetrack. Make sure there's no fluid on the racetrack.
I want to give a little tip of the hat here to Matt's crew chief, Junior Joyner. This truck is phenomenal. To be able to come to the racetrack, we didn't race here last year, 2 years, to come here and have a truck that's this good and shocked this way. People don't realize how hard it is to get them shocked through these bumps and driving that good, and it makes Matt's job that much easier.
Junior Joyner right there, he's passing by Timothy Peters. That's the 8th place truck. He just went by to win a lap now.
One more time, 1.5 miles for Matt Crafton and the ThorSport team. The Toyota out in front. If he can hold on, it would be his 6th Camping World Truck Series win and his 340th start. Down the back straightaway, Crafton just one more set of corners to get through. The performance tonight has been absolutely dominant.
Yeah, Crafton is making a statement. If you're going to win a championship, you're going to have to come through